we are going to learn how and when to use the future perfect continuous. Let's begin by looking at the grammar rule to form the future perfect continuous. In the previous unit, Unit 127, we learned how to use the future perfect. For example, I will have worked. We form the future perfect with will have and a verb in the past participle. Let's see now how to form the future perfect continuous. Look at this example. I will have been working. As you can see, we also form the future perfect continuous with will have, but in this case, we add the past participle form of the verb to be, been, and the ing form of the verb, in this case, working. Notice we use the future perfect continuous to talk about a progressive action in the future. Okay, so now you know the rule. Now, let's look at the future perfect continuous examples. Next week, I will have been working for this company for 10 years. Soon, we'll have been traveling around India for a year. By the end of this year, we will have been playing tennis together for 5 years. When I finish this exercise, I will have been studying for 2 hours. Forming the future perfect continuous is simple, right? Now let's look at how to use the future perfect continuous in the negative form and in questions. When using the negative form of the future perfect continuous, we simply use the negative form won't. Remember that won't is the contraction of will not. Here's an example. They won't have been waiting for long once we get there. So now you know the negative form. Let's look at how to form questions with the future perfect continuous. Here's an example. How long will we have been living together when we get married? Notice that with questions, the modal verb will goes before the subject.